guys, Steph here. There we go, another pen from my recent pen haul. You would have seen this one briefly in the original box. If we open it up there you go. It's a Sheaffer fountain pen. The pen comes in the original case, as you can see here. Comes with two cartridges, what we term as script cartridges. These cartridges may have actually sort of dried out a bit now because the pen has been sort of sat here and protected in this case, so it may need a couple of cartridges, but there we go. Look at this lovely pen. What we've got for you here is a Lady Sheaffer Skripsert, and this one the model V1. It comes in this lovely, what we term as a paisley pattern, and it's actually a blue periwinkle blue enamel with this gold, as we said, this gold paisley pattern. Now I believe the paisley model came in this periwinkle blue. It also came in a black and what they termed as an ivory colour. The size of the pen, 136mm capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 10.5mm in diameter. This particular range of pens were what we term as clipless, so you can see they didn't have a clip on them. They're they're sort of like a torpedo shaped, but very nice pens. They dated around about the late 1950s, even I think maybe around about 1959, and this particular one was made in the USA. Now if we take the cap off, which is a friction fit cap, give you a couple of little twirls, lovely colour. As I say, you can see it's a periwinkle blue enamel, and then this gold paisley pattern on top of it. And as we've just said, the section here came in this periwinkle blue, ivory and black as well. And then on top of that, the Lady Sheaffer Skripsert pens also came in lots of different patterns as well, different sort of variants of this pattern. Well, not this particular pattern, but they came in lots of different patterns. If we unscrew the section for you, there you go. You can see it's a cartridge pen, which means that the cartridge is simply pierced by this tube, this silver tube here. It just sits onto the back of the section, and then you'd screw the barrel back on, and away you would go writing with the pen. Again, let's show you this section. It's got this little clutch ring to this section, and they came with this stainless steel sort of a wraparound Triumph nib. There you go, there's a sideways view, there's the feed underneath, and the imprint to the nib reads Sheaffer, and then made in USA. So they're quite an attractive pen. Okay, very comfortable to hold as well. But there we have it. I'm going to keep this one short. Okay, and there you go, the cap sits on it nice and firmly. So there we have it, a Lady Sheaffer Skripsert V1 in this blue periwinkle with the gold paisley pattern. Absolutely lovely. So first of all, don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, subscribe to the channel as well, And don't forget, people, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. But from me and this pen, first of all, I'll just say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this pen, we're just going to say bye bye for now.